Mistakes were made, but we're going to have some fun with it. So I've got some FabFitFun boxes, and we'll see what's inside. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. This little guy is Bandit, and Chloe's we just got back from picking her up from school, so she's just kind of chilling out and relaxing. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So now you put stuff in your cart at FabFitFun, and then you're supposed to go through it and see what you want and what you don't want. And well, it was a really busy time, and I might have forgotten go through that cart on the last day, so a lot of boxes showed up. So it is what it is, you know, we're just going to deal with it, and we're going to move on and have fun with it. So I'm going to unbox them all today, but I'm going to unbox them in separate videos, so it's not like this huge long mega unboxing of just FabFitFun. But I'm going to start with this one. I don't know what's in it. I don't know if this was my choice box, if it was one of the boxes they put together. We'll find out. We'll be surprised together. The saddest part is, for me, is that some of the stuff in these boxes were also in my box or part of my add-ons. So I'm going to have multiple. So, I mean, that's good for you all. It's good for my family. And I'm thinking maybe I just need to open a Mercari store and try to, you know, at least break even with some of this stuff. You guys let me know. Would you be interested? So for those of you who don't know, FabFitFun is a quarterly lifestyle subscription box. I do have a code down below that's going to get you a little bit of money, I think $10 off of your first box. And you do get to choose everything in this box. Seasonal subscribers choose second. Annual subscribers choose first, so about a week or two before the seasonal subscribers, that means you're going season to season, subscribe, then the annual subscribers get to choose. So that's what I did, and that's why I have it. I also pay $15 for expedited shipping, but that's on everything in my order, so everything came in one big lump sum today. This is their 50th box, so let's see what fun is in store. All right, this is one of the boxes that they put together. Okay, so in this box, we have the Olaplex Dry Shampoo. I don't really use a lot of dry shampoo. This was actually one of the boxes I was going to take out of my cart, so bear with me. We have the Juliet Has a Gun, Not a Perfume. Here is how that looks. It does have a nice scent. It is, let's see, does it say on here? It's one that adapts to your pH to always give you a unique scent that works well for you. It doesn't say what the scent notes are on here though, so I'm not really sure. I know it's got a little bit more musk than I usually like, but after I've been wearing it for a while, I do notice that I do like it better. From Glow Recipe, we have their strawberry serum. This is a vitamin C. I do like it, but I do find that for at least me, vitamin C tends to pill on my skin. I don't know why. So it's a great product, but my experience was that it did pill on my skin. But I find that with all vitamin C's. From NARS, we have their Afterglow Sensual Shine lipstick in the shade High Clear. And as always, it is absolutely a gorgeous packaging. And nice and light. I might have two of these shades in one of my, I might have one in another box, I'm not sure. By Parachute, we have some makeup towels. So these are to clean makeup off the face. I think it's a set of 2. And it really just feels like a regular towel. It doesn't feel soft like a makeup eraser. Not on either side, it's about the same. It feels just like a terry cloth towel. Then the last thing in this one is the depuffing mask. This is a reusable cryothermo treatment to reduce inflammation and to soothe. Here is how it looks. It's very soft on this side though. It's got this very nice soft, what's going to go against your face. You can put this in the freezer or the refrigerator or the microwave. I would think maybe you wet the back if you're putting it in the microwave. Let's see. For a cooling effect, freeze the mask or use chilled from the fridge. For a warming sensation, microwave it for 10 seconds. So this I was interested in, but I think I put it in my box. So there's that. Box is a little... All right, so that is my skincare type regime box. We have the cryo face, we have the towels, we have the blend drops, we have some perfume, some NARS lipstick, and the Olaplex dry shampoo. So some great items in here. I will say, like, I love Olaplex as a brand. I'm just not a big dry shampoo person. But let me know your thoughts, and please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and keep up with my FabFitFun series.